Welcome to Pro Chef Cuts. Today we're got a special episode because we are prepping for a party for one of our friends, and we're gonna surprise him with a custom pizza party. We're gonna be cooking pizzas in the ROCCBOX, which if you don't know about this thing, you should look it up because it is totally cool. I really like this product. We have about 30 pounds of dough. We're gonna portion that into 250 gram dough balls so that we can make a perfect 12-inch pizza. Now the toppings we're gonna use are gonna range from basic margarita pizzas with mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce and basil to sausage and peppers and jalapenos, and I'm even going to make a tomatillo chorizo pizza with cotija cheese and fresh cilantro. I cannot wait, and I am so excited to do this party for my friend Ryan. I hope you enjoy watching the video. I'm having lots of fun, and I hope you are too. Look at that. Starting to smell real good. I think it's time to take those out. Nice. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put some sauce on this guy.
Okay, yeah.
And then you can make the next piece. I'll show you to do it.
Is it because you need to do something for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, so I'm making a video. My video I'm putting out this week is Ryan's birthday party.
You need a little more cheese on that.
You're right, Chef. Thank you.
Just in the middle. What is that?
This is chorizo and tomatillo sauce. Ready?
Look, you gotta put the spicy stuff on. Oh, that's after. Now we just film the cooking.
And,
He is twisting it right now.
like 2 seconds, I got a pizza for you. We are the process.
This is an extra spicy pizza.
Extra spicy.
You can see it up close with a bunch of jalapenos on it.
We're gonna put some cilantro. Right here, Lee. There you go.
Wait, what do you do?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you.
We're gonna have the match challenge go again.